For analysis of superposition theorem, consider the circuit with single source at a time. आता या ठिकाणी आपण ॲनालिसिस करण्याकरता आपण काय करतोय, फक्त E1 ठेवतो सर्किटमध्ये. जे आपल्याकडे सर्किट होतं त्या सर्किटमध्ये फक्त आता आपण E1 ठेवू आणि E2ला रिमूव्ह करू आणि या सर्किटला या ठिकाणी शॉर्ट करू. त्याच पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी शॉर्ट केलं याला. दिस इज A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now you have to find out the current flowing through this resistance R3. Let's consider the current flowing through this resistance R3 is suppose I1 dash, and current flowing through this resistance R2 is suppose I2 dash. This current is flowing through this circuit because of this voltage source E1, and therefore this I1 dash is flowing through R3, I2 dash flowing through R2. Therefore the current flowing through R1 must be I1 dash plus I2 dash. Okay. Now here R3 and R2 are parallel. हा R2 इथे लावणे काय आणि इथे लावणे काय, कनेक्शनच आहे वायरचं असल्यामुळे हा R2 इथे म्हणजे ते एकमेकाला कसे झाले आहेत, पॅरलल झाले आहेत. Therefore the parallel combination equivalent resistance of these two resistances, therefore R equivalent, ज्याला आपण नाव देऊ सपोज REX, मस्ट बी इक्वल टू R2 R3 अपॉन R2 R3 अपॉन R2 plus R3, R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. Now this equivalent resistance of these two is in series with this R1. Therefore the total equivalent resistance will be equal to R equivalent must be equal to R1 plus R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. Therefore the current flowing through this, now because of these three resistances, the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R1 R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. Therefore the current flowing through this resistance R equivalent because of this voltage source will be equal to, current is I1 dash plus I2 dash must be equal to voltage upon resistance. What is voltage? Voltage is here E1 upon resistance. What is the resistance? Here is R1 plus R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. If we simplify this, R2 plus R3 याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काय होणार आहे, E1 राहणार वर आणि याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर जाणार R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3 आणि अपॉन R2 plus R3. तो अपॉन वरती जाणार म्हणजे या ठिकाणी येणार R2 plus R3. Now this is I1 dash plus I2 dash. Now we have this equation, which is equation number now is 10 suppose. Now as in this circuit R2 and R3 are parallel. This combination is parallel. Therefore the potential across R3, that is potential difference across R3, must be equal to potential difference across R2 because they are parallel. Therefore potential difference across R3 must be equal to potential difference across R2 because they are parallel to each other. Therefore the potential difference across R3 must be equal to, what is the potential difference across R3? That is resistance into current. What is here? Current is I1 dash into R3 must be equal to potential difference across R2 must be equal to I2 dash into R2. Okay, and because of this the current I1 I2 dash is flowing through this combination, this parallel combination. Therefore it must be equal to I1 dash plus I2 dash into the combination of this resistance, equivalent resistance of this, that is equal to Rx, which is equal to R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. Now we have the equation for I1 dash plus I2 dash. Use this equation in this equation, that is I1 dash plus I2 dash. Therefore we get here equal to this is I1 dash R3 equal to I2 dash R2 equal to I1 dash plus R2, that is equal to E1 R2 plus R3 upon R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3 into this is R2 R3 upon R2 plus R3. Okay. Now this R2 plus R3, this R2 plus R3 here gets cancelled. Therefore we get here आपल्याला या ठिकाणी मिळते इक्वल टू E1 R2 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. This is equal to I1 dash R3 dash R3 equal to I2 dash R2. Now for I1 dash R3 equal to this equation, that is equal to E1 R2 E1 R3 upon याला म्हणू आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 11, which is equal to R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. Here R3 gets cancelled. Therefore we get I1 dash equal to E1 R2 upon R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. This is equation number 12. Now again from equation 11 we also have I2 dash equal to R2. I2 dash R2 equal to this equation. Therefore from equation 11 we have I2 dash R2 equal to E1 R2 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. Okay. Now here R2 gets cancelled. Therefore we get I2 dash equal to E1 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R2 R3. This is equation number 13. Now we have the values of I1 dash and I2 dash. I1 dash and I2 dash. Similarly we have to find out the same values of I1 dash and I2 dash for when the source E1 is not here. आता पहिल्यांदा आपण हे केलं की याच्यामध्ये E2 काढून टाकला. आता आपल्याला या ठिकाणी E1 काढून टाकायचा आहे आणि E2 ठेवायचा आहे आणि त्याच पद्धतीने I1 dash आणि I2 dash व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची. Now to find the current through R3 due to E2, we have to remove battery E1 from circuit. सर्किटमध्ये आपण E1 ची बॅटरी काढून टाकू. Therefore सर्किट कसं होऊन जाणार मग आता आपल्याकडे हे जे सर्किट आहे E1 काढून टाकू, याला शॉर्ट करू आणि बाकी जसं या ठिकाणी म्हणजे इक्वेशन सर्किट तयार होऊन जाणार आपलं अशा पद्धतीचं. Now this is the circuit. We have removed the battery. Now we have to find out the current flowing through this R3 due to this another source which is E2. Therefore suppose the current flowing through R3 is suppose I1 double dash. याला आपण double dash म्हणू. त्याला सुरुवातीच्याला आपण dash म्हटलं होतं, याला आपण double dash म्हणू. And current flowing through R1 is suppose I2 double dash. It means that the current flowing through this R2 must be I1 double dash plus I2 double dash. Okay. Now similarly by adopting the same procedure as in first case, by adopting the same procedure as in first case. We get, therefore, I1 double dash plus I2 double dash will be equal to, that is will be equal to R1 plus R3 into E2 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. This is equation number now here 14. ज्या पद्धतीने आपण फर्स्ट केसमध्ये, या केसमध्ये केस, ओके, या केसमध्ये जसं आपण I1 डॅश I2 डॅश फाइंड आउट केलं या केसमध्ये, तसंच आपण या केसमध्ये पण I1 डॅश I2 डॅश फाइंड आउट करतोय, and this will be equal to this. And therefore as in this case, as in this figure, R1 and R3 are parallel. Therefore potential difference across R1 must be equal to potential difference across R3, because R1 and R3 here are parallel. And therefore it will be equal to, what is the potential difference across R1? That is R1 this is R1 I2 dash I2 double dash equal to R3 I1 double dash, and this must be equal to, let's say, equivalent resistance into this, that is equal to I1 double dash plus I2 double dash into equivalent resistance of this, that is equal to R1 R3 upon R1 plus R3. Now using the values of I1 I2 in this equation, what we get, therefore R1 I2 double dash equal to R3 I1 double dash equal to I1 double dash plus I2 double, that is equal to R1 plus R3 E2 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3 into this R1 R3 upon R1 plus R3. Now here R1 plus R3 gets cancelled, and we get here R1 I2 double dash equal to R3 I1 double dash equal to E2 R1 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. Now from this R1 I2 double dash equal to E2 R1 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. Here R1 gets cancelled, therefore we get here I2 double dash equal to E2 R3 upon R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. This is equation number 15. Similarly, okay, yala manu equation number 15, yala manu equation number 16. Okay, similarly